Good morning. Good morning. It is Tuesday, May the 26th. It's about 7:47 Central Time. The market opens in roughly close to 45 minutes. So, what are you doing to prepare for the market? One thing that I like to do at night or sometimes first thing in the morning is go to CNN Business and look at the stock futures. And the stock futures give you a good indication if the market is going to be bullish or bearish, positive or negative, up or down. Sometimes it changes, but if you look at today, the stock futures for the S&P, the NASDAQ, and Dow, all the stock futures are up. Usually when it's that high, usually holds for the day. Sometimes it changes. It depends if there's any breaking news that develops throughout the day. But this gives me a good indication that most of my stocks are going to go up today. Besides CNN Business, another site that I like to use is FinViz. So you can always go to FinViz and click on futures, and at the very top, the same information is there. Me personally, I think FinViz is a little bit more updated than CNN Business. That's just been my experience, but other people might have different experiences. But not only can you look at the stock futures, you can also look at different commodities, currencies, and things of that nature as well. This is a very good website. Also, you can click on this map section and you can see all these stocks listed in the S&P 500, or if you want to see all the stocks that are currently traded, you can also look at those, and you can also look at the ETFs as well. So sometimes I like to come here and kind of look at these and just get a good indication, when the market goes up or down, how some of these stocks, how some of these index funds, and some of these ETFs, how their stock prices move with the market. And so a great example with the market's down 2 or 3 days in a row, and you see one of these ETFs or stocks go down a considerable amount, and then the next day when the stock goes up, it goes up a considerable amount. I kind of keep a mental note, add it to my watch list, and sometimes that's just an easy swing play. If the market goes down a few days, I might go ahead and put a small investment in and kind of wait till the market goes up and take whatever gains there. Usually it's 5 or 10%. And finally, one of my other favorite websites is Webull. I normally use either the app or the desktop, but just for this reason, for the video, I kind of just was using a website. They have great insight as well. I advise you, if you don't use Webull, to kind of download it. You can see the market as a whole. You can see different IPO offerings. What else? You can also see earnings report dates, dividends. But one thing I like to look at here is these top gainers for the day. That kind of helps. Anything moving in pre-market usually continues to move during market trading. Not always, but for the most part. So you might actually see me release a video later on today. A lot of this information is from last week, to be honest with you. But anyway, that's just a good way to get your morning started, doing a little research. If you got any questions or comments, leave it in the comment section, and I hope you have a successful trading day.